Hindi lahat ng laban ay para sa'yo. Yung iba dyan, guguluhin ka lang. At yung iba naman, nanakawin lang ang joy na nasa puso mo. Aminin mo, noon, halos lahat ng bagay na maririnig mo ay hindi pwedeng lalagpas lang sa'yo. Pero ngayon, I realize that one of the real luxuries in life is a peaceful heart. Isang napakalaking biyaya na magkaroon ng payapang puso at payapang buhay. Don't get me wrong ha, hindi lahat tatakbuhan mo at hindi rin lahat ay lalabanan mo. Kaya mahalaga na may discernment din. Ask God and pray over everything. Yes, pray over everything. Hindi sapat ang tapang lang, dapat may wisdom din. So choose your battle wisely, and in everything, choose to honor God. Reminding you also to act accordingly, dahil hindi na lang pangalan mo ang daladala mo, kundi pangalan na rin ng Panginoon. So represent well, in faith, in life, in ministry, in your career, and in your relationships. Don't rely on your own understanding and ask for God's discernment every day and choose your battle wisely. Dear, piliin mo ng gusto ang mga labang bibitawan mo at ang mga labang ilalaban mo hanggang dulo. With love and prayers, Noel.